Hi, my name is Eduardo Cárdenas and today I am going to explain the recipe for a hot dog. Well, before making a recipe we should have these fundamental ingredients. We need hot dog bun, sausage, tomato, and white onion. As an extra to our recipe we will add ketchup and mayonnaise. Mustard is an extra ingredient. And now let's start cooking. First, cut the tomato and onion into pieces to mix them. Remember to wash the vegetables before cutting them. In the same way, the sausage in two parts to avoid tragedies. Then, pour oil in a frying pan and add the pieces for half sausage fried. Wait until the seasonings are well fried. Next, heat the hot dog bun in the microwave for 20 seconds. After that, spread the mayonnaise to the bread and place the fried sausage and the chopped vegetables. Finally, cover with the sauces of your choice the hot dog. And enjoy with a refreshing drink. Thank you very much for your attention.